Fellas, let me ask you something. Have you ever got this question right here? How big is it? Have you? I get it all the time. They're always like, Goose, how big is this room? How tall are the ceilings? How wide is this table? You know? And I'm always ready and prepared to answer those questions because I know how to read a measuring tape. And that's what we're talking about today. How big is it? You need to know how to measure a room or whatever else you're working with. All right? So let's do that. Turn this camera around. All right, so what we got here. Let's just go to 2 inches, okay? Everything I explained with the 2 inches goes for 1 inch as well. All right, so between each inch, right, there's 15 notches. The 16th notch will be the next inch, okay? So you're counting everything over 16th, okay? So it'll be 1/16, 2/16, 3/16, 4/16, all the way up, okay? So 1/16, you can't break that down. You can't break that fraction down any further. So it stays as 1/16, okay? Then the next notch will be 2/16, right? But here it's 1/8 because 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 2 divided into 16 is 8. So you have 1/8. So this is 1/16, 2/16, but in reality it's 1/8. You have to break that fraction down. So 1, 2, 3, 3/16. You can't break that down anymore. Then you go to 4, 4/16. You can break that down, right? Because 4 goes into 4 one time, and then 4 goes into 16 4 times. All right. Next one, 5/16. Then the next one, 6/16. You can break 6/16 down, okay? Because 2 goes into 6 3 times. 2 goes into 8. 2 goes into 16 8 times. So you have 3/8. All right. And you go all the way down the line the same way, and you start back over after you get to the next inch. So 1/2, that's 8. That's the 8th notch, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 goes into 8 one time. 8 goes into 16 2 times. So that's 2 inches and a half. All right. So let's say 2 inches and 7/8, right? Is right there. But that's not the 7th notch. All right, let's see what notch that is. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's the 14th notch. Okay, so 7/8, 2 goes into 14 7 times. 2 goes into 16 8 times. All right, so that's how you get 7/8. But 7/16, right? You can't break that down. So the 7/16 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It'll be that notch right there. All right, so that's how you read it. So that works with any inch. Okay, so if we said 7 inches and 5/16, where would that be? You go 7 inches and you'll count 5 notches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5/16. But if I said 7 inches and 10/16, where would that be? 10/16. So you'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 goes into 10 5 times. 2 goes into 8. 2 goes into 16 8 times. So you have 5/8. All right. So you have to break the fractions down. They're over 16. So that's how that works. And you can just buy you a ruler like this that has the measurements right here for you, but you would still have to know the little notches in between the even numbers. All right, that's how that works. So it doesn't matter if this ruler goes up to 298 inches You'll say 298 inches, and you'll still count these notches to get the exact measurement. All right? All right. Now, what y'all thought I was talking about? How big is it? This ain't that type of show. Building with Goose. Yeah.